sandwich, so that's cool.
I was like,
What did you have yesterday?
I had a
recording this
chicken
entire
sandwich.
thing?
I just started.
Michelle Terry and her.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing down there?
I'm just, catching up on some emails and such.
Yeah? Okay.
Especially
I
on
think it's
Fridays.
illegal.
It's gotta be. I mean, they don't even have enough
It's
room
a
for
fire
2 cars.
hazard.
Wait, what are you talking about?
It's an earthquake hazard.
What are you
Oh,
talking
that's so
The way
close
they
to my
packed
face.
a lot.
Can you back that shit up?
Back that ass up.
Potty mouth.
Get your
That's a
ass
girl.
Try to
it.
teach.
I didn't say GD.
Ass to it.
Says the girl that what? What's that?
I
Wait,
know.
wait,
Did I
wait,
say?
I
I have no idea.
Do it, Nick. Do it. Put your back
Justin?
into it.
Yo,
How
what's
does
up?
it go?
I like how he said Justin and they both answered.
Oh, I can do it.
Hide or doll? Did you get your dolls high when you were young?
Did I what?
Nothing.
Did you get
Your
your
dolls
dolls high? What kind of question is
What kind
that?
of question is that?
Hide or doll?
Videotaping me?
He is. She is. Indeed.
I know, right?
Hold on. Am I gonna be caught by the island
It's
ballet?
really
Is that
necessary.
what
Oh my
You
gosh,
totally
there's
are.
a voice coming from the back. Oh, That is base number 2. That's base number 3.
It's like back in the day, like trying to get into a drive-in movie.
We're going to Beverly Hills.
We work in Beverly Hills. We're staying in Beverly Hills.
Why are you gonna mess up my fruitcake?
What fruitcake?
I don't know. It's right here in my bag.
Ew. Is it moldy?
No, it's good.
Do you really have a fruitcake in your bag?
It doesn't mold. Yeah,
You
they
really
stick
thinks
with
I
it.
have a fruitcake in
No,
my
I wouldn't
bag?
doubt it.
I
Could see
think
you
you
with
probably
like
have like
carrying a fruitcake.
I
crazy
carried a
stuff in your
fruitcake
bag.
yesterday. Actually, it was a fruit
Those are like the grossest things ever.
fruit tarts.
No, fruitcake.
Fruitcakes are pretty gross.
If they're like fresh.
Speaking
Is
of
there such a
fruitcake-
thing as a fresh fruitcake? Aren't they all like 25 years
They're
old?
like gross. They're meant to be gross.
Speaking of fruitcake, and we're about to pass Saks Fifth Avenue, on the cover of the Saks catalog this month, it says better than fruitcake.
Does it really?
Yes.
Wow.
Where's that?
Right there. Well, I have the Saks catalog at home.
Wow.
I can bring it to you.
That's so random.
Actually, no, I just sent it to the troops overseas. That was included in my magazine recycle.
Oh, they're like, fuck you. We can't order
Whoa.
shit. Thank you.
You can, I bet they could send it
I'm just kidding.
in case they want like a pair of designer
Okay, is anyone else
jeans.
disturbed by the fact that this looks like Michael Jackson's silhouette giving you presents? Has anyone else been noticed this?
It does
Where?
kind of.
What?
It does.
My
These
camera can't
Christmas,
see it.
like,
Oh,
it looks like Michael Jackson.
That doesn't look like Michael Jackson's hand though.
I know, right? The color. Oh, and then I was like,
No.
but they colored his hands orange in that. Like everything's white, and then his hands are
Brittany's
orange.
upset.
It